Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Punti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 20C of the topic mensurations. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If the distance between the longer sides is 4 centimeter, find the distance between the shorter sides. So here we draw a parallelogram ABCD. Here longer side AB 15 centimeter or shorter side here 8 centimeter. Adjacent sides means common vertex here. The AB and BC are adjacent sides. Here the distance given longer sides means distance between AB and CD given 4 centimeter. So find the distance between BC and AD means find the value of x. So we let the distance between the shorter sides is equal to x centimeter. So here AB is a base. The corresponding height 4 centimeter. When we take base is BC, the corresponding height x. Is it clear? So according to question, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. In this case, first we take the base AB. So here base we take AB. The height be corresponding DE. This is area of parallelogram. Also, when we take base BC, the corresponding height DF. Also, this is area of parallelogram. Both are equal. Here, AB is equal to 15. DE is equal to 4. BC is equal to 8. DF is equal to, we let here x. So, therefore, x is equal to 15 into 4 upon 8. 4 to the 8 is equal to 15 upon 2 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So hence the distance between the shorter sides is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, find the area of a rhombus, each side of which measure 20 centimeter and one of whose diagonals is 24 centimeter. So here we take a rhombus. In rhombus, all sides are equal. And we know that the property of rhombus, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, means OA barabar OC and OB is equal to OD. Each other at right angles means angle AOB 90 degree. So this triangle is called right angle triangle. So here we take in right triangle AOB. In right triangle OAB by Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse, तो here hypotenuse 90 डिग्री के सामने AB, तो the square of hypotenuse is equal to base square means OA square plus OB square. Here AB given 20, a square of 20, OA. The AC is equal to 24, so OA is equal to 12 because here bisect each other means half of 12 12. Here write a square of 12 plus OB, find out here a square. 20 square 400, 12 square 144 plus OB square. OB square is equal to 400 minus 144. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 1 2. So therefore OB is equal to a square root 256 means 16 centimeter. So here OB. So find the BD. The BD is equal to 2 into OB means double of OB. So here BD is equal to 2 into OB. 2 into 16 is equal to 32 centimeter. So hence area of rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals. So here first diagonals given 24 and second diagonals find out here 32. Here 12 to ja 24. We multiply 12 to ja 24 carry 2. 12 3 ja 36 plus 2 38. 384 a square centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, the area of a rhombus is 441 square centimeter and its height is 17.5 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the rhombus. The here given area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to 441 square centimeter. One important point, remember, a rhombus is a parallelogram. But a parallelogram is not rhombus. You remember, we know that a rhombus is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is not rhombus. Is it clear? Here is the formula of parallelogram. Here area of rhombus means area of parallelogram. We know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. The here base AB, corresponding height given here DE is equal to 441. AB not given here into DE is equal to given 17.5 is equal to 441. Therefore AB is equal to 441 upon 17.5. The remove decimals and write in numerator 10. Is it clear? 2 5 ja, 5 2 ja 10. Here 5 3 ja 15. 5 5 ja 25. Means 35 5 ja 175 or 5 2 ja 10. Next 7 5 ja 35. Here table 7 6 ja 42. 7 3 ja 21. Means 63 7 ja 441. 63 into 2 we get 126 upon 5 is equal to 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 25 or 5 2 ja 10 means 25.2 centimeter. Hence each side of rhombus is equal to 25.2 centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, The area of a rhombus is equal to the area of a triangle whose base and the corresponding height are 24.8 centimeter and 16.5 centimeter respectively. If one of the diagonals of the rhombus is 22 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. So we let other diagonal D2. So according to question given, area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle. In question given, the area of rhombus we know that half into product of diagonals. Here diagonals D1 into D2. Area of triangle we know that half into base into height. Half here base given QR and height given here PS. Half. The value of D1 22 centimeter into D2 is equal to half. QR is equal to 24.8. PS is equal to 16.5. Is it clear? Half cancel out. D2 is equal to 24.8 into 16.5 upon 22. Here remove the decimals. Here write 10. Also here remove the decimal. Also write here 10. 11 2 ja 22. 11 1 ja 11. 11 5 ja 55. Here 2. Here also 10. So 5 3 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10. Is it clear? Here 2. 1 2 4. 124 is into 2 is equal to 248. Again 2 62. Is it clear? The here remaining 62 into 3 we get 186 upon 10. We write 18.6 centimeter. So hence the length of other diagonal is equal to 18.6 centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 20C with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.